Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Studies Code. And yes, we are back. I finally restored my health and these sessions are back. I hope that all of you are doing really good. Also, notification for CDS, NDA, and AFCAT, all three are out, and you have by the end of this year to fill the form. So, all of you who are eligible, do not miss out this opportunity and definitely fill up the forms before the time. Okay, with that being said, it is 8 a.m., which means it is time for your daily dose of vocabulary with me. I know the session has come after a long period of time and I'm really excited. I hope you all are excited as well to start the session. In the session, you will see daily new words, their meanings, antonyms and synonyms, and everything related to those. And the session is under 10 minutes. So every day the session will come. I hope you all subscribe to this channel so that this session and also in future we are planning to make a lot more videos related to all three exams. So do not miss those two. With that being said, let's start this session and let's hop on to the first word for today. The first word that we're going to discuss today is demure. This was chosen as a word for the day because it created a lot of influence on the internet, and I hope that you must have heard it too. It was everywhere on social media. So let's discuss firstly what is the meaning of the word demure. It means to be shy, quiet, or polite, and basically it is used for a girl or a young woman. It is used for them here. Coming to the sentence, we have I mask my true feelings with a demure smile. With a very quiet smile, I mask my true feelings. The synonyms here are courtish, then you have coy, and you have kittenish. And antonyms here are uncoy and outgoing. Coming to the next word, we have mirage. Mirage. Mirage is a word that is a little bit different. Okay, there are two kind of meaning to it. First one we'll discuss. First one, it means a hope or a wish that cannot be achieved. So something that you hope for, something that you wish for but cannot be achieved. So that time also we use the word mirage. And the other process is a scientific process for which we use mirage here, which means an image you think you see in a very hot weather, for example, water in a desert, but which does not really exist. So it really does not exist, but because of the hot weather, because of this cold and hot air thing that happens, you see that there is an image, there is somewhere water, but it actually does not exist there. Okay, so that is a mirage, that image which is created. Okay, so there are two meanings of it. Coming to the sentence, we have his victory in the election is just a mirage. So it is just a wish, it's a hopeful wish that might not be achieved. The synonyms here are daydream, dream, illusion, delusion, and nightmare. And the antonym here is fact, reality, and actuality. Next word for us is capsize. Capsize is the word. If you read the newspaper, you must have heard this word. Most of the time, we hear this word as a lot of boats capsized while crossing the English Channel. This kind of thing, we hear it. Okay, that they are crossing the English Channel. Illegal migrants are basically in those boats and it capsized. Okay, English Channel, we talked about it in the comments. You tell me where is the English Channel basically located. Okay, so that is your question here. Coming back, capsize means it is basically used about boats. Whenever we are talking about boats, we use this word capsize. It means when a boat to turn over in water. So a boat turns over in water. Here you could see in the image as well, same thing. The boat turned over. Because of this, the people on the boat got into the water. The sentence here says a big wave capsized the yacht. So the yacht turned over because of the big wave. The synonyms here are overturn, collapse, and keel. Keel is different. We'll star mark that. The antonyms here are right, stand up, raise, and straighten. Next word for us is influx. Influx means large number of people or things arriving suddenly. So all of a sudden you see influx. Influx, lot of number of things are coming. Okay, here you could also see the moment vacation starts. All of your destinations, like basically your mountains, places, okay, Missouri, Manali, they see an influx of visitors. So a lot of people go towards there, that place, okay, mostly summer vacation. Okay, the sentence here says the UN was yesterday preparing for a massive refugee influx into the border region. So they were expecting and they were preparing for a massive refugee influx. A lot of people will come through the border region. The synonyms here are flow, floods, inflow, income, and affluence. The antonyms here are outflow, flight, and immigration. Next word for us is hinder. Hinder means to make it more difficult for somebody, something to do something. Okay, so somebody is trying to do something. Okay, somebody is trying to accomplish something, and you try to put hurdles into it. So you're hindering the process. You're not letting the person achieve something or whatever goal he has. You're not letting them accomplish that. Okay, here you will see in this image. Okay, so they are two friends and they have decided at this particular time we'll play football, but because of the rain hindered their match, and because of this they could not play football. Here the sentence is a lot of scientific work is hindered by lack of money. So because of lack of funding, a lot of scientific research gets hindered. Okay, it hinders in that process. It becomes very difficult to complete that research without appropriate funding. Synonyms here are block, burden, and crimp, and antonyms here are permitted and acceptable. Next word for us is conserve. Conserve means to avoid wasting something. Like most of the time, we are taught not to waste water or to conserve water. Okay. The sentence here says the funds raised will help conserve endangered meadowlands. So the funds that will be raised will actually help conserve those endangered meadowlands from wasting. The synonyms here are nurse, to preserve something, to save something, and the antonyms here are waste and squander. Next, we have the word manifest. Manifest means to show something or to be shown clearly. So you're manifesting something. You're seeing something very clearly in your head. In your head, you have a clear picture of what you want. So you manifest it. Here, the example says many things had changed for the better with manifest confidence and increased prosperity widespread. So once you start to imagine that you are the person, your confidence eventually boosts up and it is good for you. The synonyms here are evident, apparent, and obvious, and antonyms here are ambiguous and mysterious. Next, we have the word for the day, that is flow. You're going to tell me the meaning of this particular word in the comment section. I hope you all know it, and if you do know it, make sure to participate. Okay. Lastly, we come to an end of the session, and if you did like our content, make sure to hit the like button. Do not forget to share it with all your friends that might find this particular session insightful and useful. And lastly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. With that, we'll end the session here. Thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow at this exact same time.